Hello everyone, introducing the FreedConn FM10, the latest communication system designed to bring next network connectivity to motorcycle riders. Powered by Hyperlight Mesh communication, AI voice mice, cross-brand intercom compatibility, and high-rate certified speakers, the FM10 keeps riders seamlessly connected on every journey. The power button. With this button, you can power the device on or off into an access phone pairing model, manage incoming calls, and play or pause your music. You can also activate music sharing in the menu system and enjoy automatic reconnection to previously paired devices. The Mesh and Phone Bridging button unlocks advanced connectivity. Use it to join or access Mesh network, switch tracks when listening to music, or start a private chat with Mesh model. It also enables cross-brand Mesh communication and call bridging, keeping riders connected across different devices. The Bluetooth pairing button manages your Bluetooth connections. You can skip to the next music track, confirm menu selections, activate voice assistance, redial the last phone number, or start a Bluetooth intercom connection. The control wheel is designed for quick and intuitive operation while riding. Simply rotate the wheel to adjust volume or navigate through the device menu. Let's take a quick look at how to use the FreedConn FM10 motorcycle communication system. Simply press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn the device on or off. To enter phone pairing mode, double press the power button, then open Bluetooth settings on your smartphone and select FM10 from the device list to connect. Once paired, the FM10 will automatically reconnect to your phone the next time. If automatic reconnection fails, just press power button once to manually reconnect to the phone. Press the power button once to answer an incoming call.
I'll answer.
Press and hold the button for 1 second to reject a call. If no action is taken, the FM10 will automatically answer the call after 15 seconds. Simply press the power button once to end a call. Press and hold the power button for 1 second to transfer the call audio between the headset and your phone. If phones are connected, press the power button once during a call to switch between them. Press and hold the Bluetooth intercom button for 3 seconds, then release to redial the last number. Simply double press the Bluetooth intercom button to activate your smartphone's voice assistant. Short press the power button to play or pause your music. Rotate forward the control wheel to increase volume, and rotate backward to decrease volume.